Skyscrapers, bridges, and roads don't build themselves. Construction workers take on some of the most physically demanding and dangerous tasks. Working at extreme heights, handling heavy machinery, and dealing with hazardous materials all pose serious risks. Falls, electrocutions, and equipment malfunctions are among the leading causes of injury and death in the industry. Many workers operate in unpredictable environments, where unstable structures and sudden collapses can be fatal. Exposure to dust, chemicals, and loud noise also lead to long-term health issues. Strict safety regulations help, but accidents still happen, often due to human error or unsafe working conditions. Despite the dangers, construction is essential, shaping the modern world. Without these workers, cities wouldn't grow, infrastructure wouldn't improve, and daily life as we know it wouldn't exist.